Hi guys, Rose here, and welcome to another video. This is an Animal Jam video. I did record a video before, but it got too long and I forgot. I like you. Okay, let's get married. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a random video. I don't know, random people coming into my den, whatever. Okay, sure. Why not? I'm not talking to this wolf. She looks as if she's gonna steal my man, okay? By the way, I'm probably gonna this is, by the way, he's probably gonna be real upset, but seriously, this is only this is a role play, by the way. We're just role playing right now, it's not gonna be real. So don't get all worried or anything. Okay, put on trade. Wait, what? I don't... You can't dress up my animals. They are mine, girl. Now stop trying to steal my man. Woo! Drama. I was bored and now we're just making some random video. Get out my den! Anyway. Right. Okay, I should tell you something. I have a secret. I am a... You're on a video. Ha ha ha! He's in a video! You're what? What are you? You're saying you're something? So, what are you? Okay. Okay. I'm not your sister, boy. I'm not your sister, but I'm not no one's sister, but Millie Stars. Okay. Okay. You got that, boy? Okay. Whatever. I'll follow you. I do not look like her in the slightest. I'm gonna with you. Goodbye. Haha, drama. So funny. I'm gonna break up with him because we were never really together. This was all like roleplay, okay? Like seriously, all roleplay. Seriously though, I don't buddy people who want to be my boy. Like, seriously, I do not date people in Animal Jam, okay? It's dangerous, and they could be anyone. They could just be like a stalker or something. So just like, don't date people in Animal Jam, okay? I mean, like, a little joke, like saying, yeah, sure, whatever, little love hearts, and like, at the end of a video or whatever, just like, whatever, for like a video or something, just like, and then just like, bye, whatever, see you later. But, like, just like, don't seriously date people in Animal Jam. Like, you can always just, like, do, do it, like, as a joke or something. But, like, don't, like, get serious with anyone on Animal Jam. Never get serious with anyone on Animal Jam. And, like, don't meet them off Animal Jam when you meet them on Animal Jam. I mean, unless, like, they're, like, famous YouTubers and stuff, and, like, you meet them at VidCon or something like that. But, or, like, you meet them in real life by accident or something. But, like, don't, like, go looking for them if, like, they're just some random person. Especially, like, if they're, like, like, your boyfriend and girlfriend or whatever. Because, like, don't get serious with people on Animal Jam. It's just, like, dangerous and everything. So just don't. Anyways, let's try get a new look. That one's alright. I don't really like flowers, but alright. Okay. Hmm. 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 Whatever. Right. We're gonna find a bracelet or an anklet. How about a wrist? We'll find like a wristband or something. Right. There's like a wristband. So now I just need like a necklace. They're quite easy to find, you know. There we go. There we go. Nice black and red look, which I really, really like. Only thing I don't like is that yellow. There was a black option to make a black and red eclipse necklace when the eclipse came, but I like to have everything classic, just 'cause when the time comes, you never know, you might need like classic stuff. Anyway, I'm about gonna end it here, 'cause like we don't have much to do, like it's getting boring. And well, I'm gonna end it here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!